Aloha beautiful people, travelers Taiwan!
旅游在台湾!
Yeah guys, look, we have super beautiful mountains behind us. It means we are somewhere far away from the city. We are in Hualien! Yeah!
We are in the Amis tribe. It's called Hualien.
So today we are not going hiking, but we are going to visit the tribe and try their traditions, do some handcraft. We're gonna go to the local market to buy some local vegetables, which you won't be able to find anywhere else in Taiwan, right?
Also, we're gonna stroll around their tribe and understand more about their culture and know more about their history too.
Make mochi, dance, and try their delicious, amazing tribal food. Are you ready for it?
Let's go!
Yay!
Yeah, yeah, hi, oh, hi, oh.
So now we are going to the market of Amis tribe. It's super special because everything you can find here is very fresh. They just picked the vegetables this morning. You know what's super cool? Because people here, they're super nice. So the market is about to close, and what they're doing now, whatever vegetables that they didn't sell, they're just cooking and sharing with everyone. So it's pretty amazing. And look, there are some guys giving to try some alcohol that they like. Yeah. So I told you that people are super nice, so they already gave me the chicken to try. Yeah. 好特别，非常好吃哦。
它帅，好吃。What are you gonna try right now?
I don't know. It's because in the tribe they have a lot of different vegetables, like mountain vegetables. So this is one of the mixture of. It tastes like eggplant and tomato. So I have no clue what it is. I've never seen it before. Okay, that's how it looks inside. It's bitter. It's very bitter. It does taste like eggplant a little bit. Eggplant is something really bitter. What did you get there?
Oh, so I get this one. It's called red and shoot. The tour guide just told us that this one is really special. If you eat it inside, the middle, it tastes really, really creamy, and then the outside layer is a little bit bitter. So the Amis tribe, they don't just use this one to eat, but they also use it to build a house. Super cool. They actually already trimmed it. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So originally it looks green and it has a lot of sharp stains, so they had to trim it. And then all they need is like the part in the middle.
They sell frogs.
Those are frogs?
Yeah, they still alive.
Oh, they're so little.
So you know what they do with frogs? They actually make the soup, and they think that once the frog pees in the soup, it will make it so much better for your skin. I thought they would be like big, you know, like those French big frogs, but actually they're super small.
A lot of people would say like, oh, is that a mushroom or is that like seaweed? Actually, it's not. It's algae. Only after rain, this kind of algae will grow all over like this. So they handpick this one.
All right, Patrick, what did you find? Another special thing.
Look guys, look how spiky it is. See that? All the spine on top? Call it like 木鳖果. Why they call it 木鳖果? Because if you cut it open, you see the seeds. The seeds actually look like a water turtle.
Wow.
If you cut it open, all the meat inside is like pink.
Wow.
By the way guys, I'm a big fan of an animation called One Piece. Don't you guys think like it looks like 恶魔果实? So you eat it, I will get a special part from it. So guys, what do we get at the end?
We got a lot of cool stuff which we have no clue what to do with. Some sticks which looks like bones. You know, that's how you call eye in Amis language. So they told us just to put everything together, it's gonna taste amazing. Bye. Alright, so we are done at the market, and later on we are going to
Cook it and eat it.
Perfect. So we just arrived to the place where we're gonna have our lunch. Look, it's super cool. They prepared everything especially for us, and even welcoming drinks. Now it's my turn. It's super cute. I look like I can cook, right? So this is honn nomi, a traditional dish of Aboriginal people here. Those are rice bowls, very special. So they prepare 3 pieces. This is the original flavor. So it's advised to just try it without any salt. It's very special. It's a little bit like dry, sticky rice, but I really like it. And this is very special too. This is elephant grass. So in tribes, they feed this grass to water buffaloes so they can have a lot of energy. And then in some time they realize that this is also very probably good for people too. So we can try it, which will give us a lot of energy. And you know, they also give us a try. Super cool mijo.
Okay, so first dance, everybody. First dance. Take some of the fermented rice and put it in the bottom.
It's sour. It's not that sweet. It's just like perfectly what I like. In Russia, we have a similar drink made with the bread. It has like super similar taste. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get drunk. Alright, so it's our turn to make辣椒. So we take the rice here. So I'm gonna take more. So the last step in making our辣椒, we need to add mijo.
Yeah, and it's also from honn nomi mijo.
It doesn't have such strong alcohol smell, right? It smells more like fermented something. Okay.
My turn.
Hella spicy.
I didn't know for辣椒you need to add alcohol.
I think this is must be the Aboriginal way.
Do you guys see that amazing table behind me? Now we are going to DIY our pancakes from bread, rice, flour. And look, all of the vegetables which we've seen on the market this morning, we're also gonna use it. Smells like forest.
Everything is fresh cut.
That's my favorite part. Guys, I'm really amazed by how they package everything. Look, the plates are made from coconuts. This is from bamboo. And look, even the big plate is also made from bamboo, which is super environmentally friendly. I wish I could take it home. And for now, what we're doing is we're gonna boil all the vegetables, and those are the purple peas. So I think some of our vegetables are done already. I'm gonna take them out. Look how nice and green they are. A lot of iron. That's like my paradise dish. And because those vegetables, they were picked in the mountains, so they have a very strong flavor. Let me try. Super good. Like we didn't add any salt or spices. You can taste the original flavor of the product. And now we're gonna make the dough for the pancakes. So here we have the red rice flour, and this is the wheat flour. So what we're gonna do is mix them all together, and then just mix it all together. Wow, it smells like rice cake.
You go and camp without remorse, without heart in your head. You're right, but in my head.
So I'm using the oil and put it on the frying pan. I'm super excited to try this. I mean, I never tried this though. And I'm really curious what are we gonna do with like all together, like how.
You always being bad. They use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You're begging me to come with you. I don't know.
So how they eat those pancakes is very special way. So you just take a piece, add some vegetables, whatever you want. And then here we have the whole set of different types of spices. So look, we have some greens. This is mayonnaise with辣椒, salted pork,辣椒, and also here sesame. You can actually have like different type of flavors. I want to have the one with greens and a little bit of mayo. Okay, let me try. It's very special. I add a little bit too much辣椒. So spicy. But it's so nice. The combination of the vegetables and rice pancake is just so amazing.
I think it's like a good meal because that one is like, you know, like made with a hon糯米, so it's like pretty much like rice.
And I really like those pancakes just by themselves. We're gonna make takeaway roll. Bento. I will take our pancake, take some vegetables. Wow. I really like how even after boiling they're so green.
You are the best. I wanna show to
Okay, I'm gonna put all those greens. A little bit of mayonnaise with辣椒.
use all my time, use all my heart. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. Like use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart.
Ta-da! I mean, it's not perfect, but at least it's handmade, right? And all the wrapping is 100% natural, biodegradable. And look, we also have super cute flower for decoration. So I think it's super cute if you give it to your kids when they go to school for their lunch, you know? Genia. For the Shanghai.
谁是你的小孩哈？
So now we came to Kakitan family house. The ladies behind, the one we saw on the picture drawing on the wall, they are the 59th generation of Kakitan family. And just now the lady did a ceremony using mijo, cigarettes in Finland.
Ni ko ito sa ay Amerika. Tanami ni tingin tuliki si numita o Kakitan. Numita o pancah ni. Aw ni mi cumo terhaliba dang bicumo kapisaman cairan. Pisaman. Chia ti ja ha. Aw, lai.
Okay, now you're welcome to enter.
So the lady just gave some gifts to the ancestors so they would bless us for coming here because we came from so far away and all of us are from different countries, so we would have good luck and a lot of blessings. And this is the house. This is not just an important building for Kakitan family, it's also a living museum, and 59th generation worked so hard to rebuild this place. And you can see around the house there are a lot of pillars with different carvings, and each of them represents different parts of the history of this family. So it all started from the glowing girl, and she was that noticeable that even the son of the ocean god fell in love with her. But her family didn't want her to be with him. So the ocean god, he got so angry that he flooded the whole place, and only two people left, the glowing girl and her brother. And the pillar in the middle shows the glowing girl. There was also a very interesting but scary tradition. Kavalang tribe, they hunted for hats, and which was very creepy because they hunted hats and they put them all around their roofs. Later on, when Japanese people came, they abandoned this festival because they wanted people to get over it and not be that brutal. So it's also very interesting to come here and learn about such parts of the history like those, right? Okay, let's go back. I think we are waiting for more food and dancing. Yummy.
这是我们自己在地妈妈他们自己酿的一个酒，所以它非常的好喝。
Next time we can get some food. And look guys, I'm really amazed. They use leaves for the plates. Isn't it so cool?
Yeah.
Environmentally friendly. And you know what I just discovered in this trip for myself? Shao I didn't know it's so good. Oh my god. I don't drink alcohol, but this one I'm ready to drink cup after cup. Smells super delicious. And also look, in that one, we are waiting for our soup. Wow. They have a lot of delicious food. Okay, I'm gonna get some rice. Definitely the omelet because it smells amazing. And it's just freshly made. Wow. I think you never can find this kind of food anywhere in Taipei, only in Hualien. Okay, I got my son. look. Amazing. And if you love meat, there are also a lot of meat options.
Let's go eat.
It's for you, the meat. So guys, this food is not only good looking, but also tastes amazing. Oh my god. Vegetable is super fresh, very natural and organic. And while we're eating, we also have a really cool performance. Check it out. So sweet of them because I said that I don't prefer eating meat, so they prepared some tofu for me. Almost finished it. Everything is really so delicious.
How do you think about the taste of Aboriginal dish?
Tastes more natural. It's like I think everything is a little bit sweeter because you can feel more of the taste of the product actually rather than the seasoning. And all the ingredients, I guess they're naturally grown, so they have a stronger flavor.
Guys, do you really think that's it? Look at this fish.
Oh my god, the meat is so tender, it just literally melting when I'm taking it. Wow, it's more than tender, it's like literally melting in the mouth. It's like marshmallow. Okay, so with Aya, we're gonna make mochi.
Whoa.
This thing is so heavy actually.
Think about your ex-boyfriend.
Oh my god. Come on.
Ex-boyfriend.
It deserves more. So we just finished the trip, we're heading back to Taipei. Oh my god, everyone is super happy. That was really amazing.
We even got a souvenir here.
Yay, Shami Joe. Hey guys, so did you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Would you recommend people to come here?
Of course. Yeah. It's amazing. It was super fun.
You get to learn all about the Amis tribes down here and their way of living. And food's amazing. Drinks are good too.
And people were so cute. The cutest people ever.
I have so much food. I literally have food for like the entire weekend. I have more in this bag. I can't even get it all out.
Wonderful food, wonderful people. So.
Everyone was super friendly, and I love the people here. I would definitely come back.
I feel like leaving my family.
Yeah, go for the food, go for the people. It's awesome.
Yay! See? It's not only us who's super happy about the place, but everyone else. So definitely come here and check it out. And please guys, hit a like to our video. Subscribe to our channel, Travel North Taiwan, US to Taiwan. Subscribe!